Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming 3 essentials. Your channel meets 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours, your content follows policies, and your Google account has 2-step verification. Once those are in place, go to YouTube Studio, open Monetization, and click to start the application. Make sure your channel details and contact email are accurate because YouTube uses them to connect your account to AdSense. Take these steps now. They set the foundation for the formal review that follows. Once you start the YouTube Partner Program application, follow each form prompt and link or create a Google AdSense account. This is how you'll get paid. Make sure your payment profile, tax information, and payout threshold are accurate because errors slow approval. Next, choose ad formats and review each video for content that disqualifies monetization. You should also set channel-level preferences like ad breaks and memberships. Keep documentation ready, and then submit. YouTube will queue your channel for policy and content review. After submission, YouTube reviews your channel for policy compliance and original content. Wait for an email that confirms approval or denial. If approved, enable ads on each video and set channel defaults so new uploads monetize automatically, and confirm AdSense payout settings. If denied, carefully read the reason. Common issues include reused content or copyright strikes. Correct them, then reapply after the 30-day waiting period. One troubleshooting tip. If you believe a mistake occurred, use the appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.